Yes, yes. Big things are going 2004. We just put on we gun when EMC no more. Big things are going 2004. And if a jungle is we kill a dozen or more, we pop off we gun when EMC no more. We know no mercy. Don't get we bloodthirsty. Jungle is we bitter like Cersei. TG nah no mercy. See you, and we a sharp boy say we don't have no pity. All 100 gone down with the city. Nah spare no boy, cause them done dead already. Coulda answer fly. Dog or pitney, Vegas side killer in the studio a vicey. Now we must run like Donald Curry take airport road figure each Charlie Ferry. Big Mackie level oversized clip Uzi how much him have gun and him not have any. But if him was a penny, him would have done dead already. Killer take him make a big cup of shot for him Uzi. We nah no mercy. Don't get we gun thirsty. Boy, you go dead. Then me not give me no argument. Kill we come for kill nobody with the long statement. Boy, you go dead. Tell them not give me no argument. Kill we come for kill. Bad man not take conference. Ooh, bad man from long time. Who is well excellent. Murder people and walk without jump over fence. Some of them say that them wicked side them own expense. Like a Vietnam soldier, me we sleep in a trench. Walk under bag wire. Take 10,000 fence. Me we murder your first man. Are you? Boy, you got... Watch. Watch. Watch, 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 watch. Yes, 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 yes. You know it's a 10-star general. Sure is. Your nation paper. This one is like a relief from a new system breeze. I can't even believe. But first I must say, fair use YouTube, education purpose, no harm intent. This is all alleged when I see on the internet. Yes, you when I say, look how long una hear me and want Vegas and I tell himself to drop the belly where my carry for killer. Eh? How long me I want Vegas I tell him say drop the belly where you carry for killer. Hmm? Him never want hear. Wanna see what I go on right now on the internet? Hmm? A couple year now, him a run on the internet and I call killer pedophile boy and all kind of shit and them thing there, you know. No, you know. Killer, him go voice song, you know. Cause him say my challenge killer, you know. Give killer all kind of clause, one where him no want in the clash, you know. Say him can't bring down none of him old time song them. Him can't this, him can't that. You see what I say? So him set all the rules them and him drop song. Paper, me say, no killer, go in the studio. You see what I say? And rip off necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. And right now a loud explosion in the street as far as me concerned. Because guess what I go on? You see what I say? Vegas run out with a big white drawers, same surrender. A big bingo bag white drawers on him head. A wave surrender flag. Yo, that now go stop killing my brother. From you start killer like that, my brother, you can't just press button and stuff. What you think is a remote you talk about? Wait till when killer start go a certain show, you go hear, you go see people. You see what I say, oh, killer go deal with him on them show the way him not even a tent. I just see him, I go see what I go on the internet. Him know who is the ground Godzilla. Eh? Him know the reason why him never challenge them man the long time. Me no know how him get brave up after so many decades run off. Me no know why. Me ask him. Me go over, me see Vegas and two lady and Rick Storm over our Maras clad part over. So me fly over the blood clad fence, go over there and me and say, yo, Vegas, hear me. This exactly after Sting done, you know. After Sting done, you know, in the morning, you know. I go over there and I say, Vegas, hear me and say, do you think this way you do necessary? You see what I say? Because you did have, you know what I mean, the chance to challenge killer them time there, you know. All you did us to do, you know, I go in the studio and voice this track against killer, you know, because you was a hot DJ who have fans and people a real feel with its song and all of these necessary things where the artists need, you know, you have it, you know. You see what I say? So I not like say, you not have no at all. And you hear what you tell me say, you mad my youth. If me did go in the studio, go do song against him, the sound man them would have blacklist me, the disc jockey them would have blacklist me, and you have man where I walk with him a bad up and way. Yo, listen to me. Killer try that with Beanie Man. Beanie Man war him. Beanie Man still alive today. Still rated as the king. Said spirit. You know what I mean? Because once you're a king, me not think it can come off fire. Him is just not the current king right now. You know the current king of Vibes Cartel. You see what I say? Bounty Killer and Scissor go at it. Scissor still stand up because he never run. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. No joke shit not dead about it. Bounty Killer even son Vibes Cartel go at it. Vibes Cartel still stand up because him never run. You and Lexus run. You see me? And that was the fault on a downfall. You see what I deal with? Now you run out with this pedify thing and all this shit and them thing there. It only for see it's like me no know like it backfire upon you right now because you have a girl when named Mel who forward out and I say it's alleged YouTube. Yes, what I say fair use, education purpose, no harm intent. It's alleged this girl Mel forward out and say, yeah, molest her from she 13-year-old till she 16-year-old she have to run away. And her mother taking your side all because of money. Yes, what I say? And you know, claim say you can't let it go because your children them hear this and hear that. We killer talk about this and that and all them things. And then do you think your children them are go okay with this now, my brother? Worse, them a big kid and them have all them own phone, them have access to them own phone and them can see what go on on the internet. Do you think them a go okay with this? Look how long me I tell you say leave that shit alone because you never defend yourself them time there. So me don't know where you come with now. That story that pass over a long time, a whole time story. Where you bring it up back for make it go on, my brother. You see what me I say? I tell you, leave it alone. No, you don't want to leave it alone. Look where I go right now because I see the whole of Instagram festive. And when I run over YouTube, I see other vlogger with it. And I just think, say, well, then that story I go run out back till next week. You see what I say? All because of you and the type of people them where you say you bring down with education wise, you act intelligent and you bring down all of them pedophile people there. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not dead about it. You have one of them when him girly when me say you bring him down and a bare tears me see him a cry on the internet. Say you cause all of what go on with him. So now me want to know, you know. Name Melina because she try to talk to you, you know, every time you block her and them shit there, you know. Vegas, you need to forward out and clear up all of them shit, you know. Since you go like you're there for the people, them teaching them real knowledge and educational stuff. And I say certain shit, you know, illegal and them thing there. But for find out, say your name call up and this shit now, you know. And it's not like say somebody just come and attack. It's the girl that they and attack to other people. You see what I say? So you need to forward out and address all of these things because Keckle can't cuss pop, my brother. When the two of them take fire underneath them ras. You hear me I say? Because you have said this about Bounty Killer where me not think you have no proof and you have ladies that forward out and I say them thing about you. Oh fucking ironic. Me not tell you myself to leave the blood clot thing alone because it blood clot toxic. Eh? Too much collateral damage. 87 shootout. What? And the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. I don't know each and every time I represent, you don't know a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. You see what I say? Me that want them and them never want hear. You see what I say? Yeah. Me that want them and them never want bomber ass clot here. Look where it costs now. You see what I say? Look what it costs. That me I say, look what it costs. Eh? Me tell you now, you see what I say? Let go for the old time story. and move on. No, I never want hear. Well, okay. Well, the people them I go want know if what Mela say I real thing Mr. Vegas. So me no know how you go work out this, because it look like all us broke down to blood clot and tumble on. What? Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. Oh.